Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. Donald Trump warns US economy is facing much bigger problem than recession will have a depression. Former President Donald Trump has warned that the US economy is facing much a bigger problem than recession, nothing that will have a depression. He started, "We have to get this country going, or we're going to have a serious problem." Donald Trump on economics, recession and depression. Former President Donald Trump warned Friday in a speech during a Save America rally in Arizona that the U.S. could enter an economic depression due to the fiscal forecast of President Joe Biden. His remark was in support of Republican Arizona gubernatorial candidate Carrie Lake. Trump warned that the U.S. economy could enter a depression similar to the Great Depression of 1929, again that the Soviet debt inflation in the U.S. rose 8.6% in May from a year prior. The highest rate in 4 cases, real wages are collapsing and were on the verge of a devastating. And this is devastating. It's called starvation. Look up, it's not good. Trump started what I'm concerned about. They keep talking about having some professor where we're going now could be a very bad place. The former president continued, "We have to get this country going, or we're going to have a serious problem elaborating. Not recession. Recession in next word, we're going to have much bigger problem than recession. We'll have a depression. You know, in 1929, they had this thing called the depression. You know that they could have had a recession only, he noted. Meanwhile, the Biden administration is downplaying the severity of the U.S. economic situation. The Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said Sunday on CNBC, "This is not an economy that is in recession, but we're in a period of transition in which growth is slowing and that cancer and poverty," she stated. Recession is broad-based weakness in the economy. We're not saying that now. Trump is not the only one who has recently warned about a depression in the U.S. Read the report that author Robert Kiyosaki has also warned about an economic depression in the country. noting that stock, bond, and real estate markets are crashing last week. Okay guys, thank you very much. Maybe just this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.